this video to Russia president immediately emergency. I'm talking about India. India make a plan first to big time plan to separate Pakistan and Bangladesh. They did it. First they're gonna attack Bangladesh. They're going to do that. They're gonna take Bangladesh over. Then they're gonna attack Pakistan. They're gonna take that. The India gonna get bigger. Then they're gonna attack Russia. They're gonna take it over. Then they're gonna take it over China. Then gonna be big India. India gonna be bigger than any other country. That's what America making plan. America give plan to India. Hey, don't make this war. So Russia need to support us, Bangladesh, right away. We give Russian president Bangladesh territory. Inshallah, Russia understand Ami.